Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is an AM micro receiver head 14 GHz terrestrial microwave transmission. Very similar to DVB-S, so the space, a satellite broadcast service, but this was running on terrestrial stations for TV, cable, let's say cable TV, but microwave radiated cable TV. So this head was sitting on the roof since about 1996. As you can see here, 1996, June 30. Here is the signature of the worker who assembled it and tested it, probably. Some other text, TV, whatever, I cannot read. Some stamping, some molding, texture or signs from the aluminum mold, and the classic coaxial connector of the IF output frequency. Here is the receiver side. Yeah, it has a serial number, also 62. Some of the screws were rusted too much, but it has a insulator here for waterproofing. So yeah, it's quite careful design and quite high quality compared to the current $2 USB or satellite LNB hats, I would say. Let's take a closer look if we can. This is the antenna input pin from the horn feed. This is the LNA first section, the amplifier of the LNA, the first stage, and the second stage. Probably this is the bias circuit. There was some ferrite part glued here probably, but the glue was aging too much, so it just broken. This is probably a bandpass filter here. This LNB has the DRO oscillator, so it's quite old. It's not a crystal type, but a DRO type with a DRO type oscillator. I assume this is the mixer circuitry here. And here is the output to the IF, which should be around some sub-gigahertz, or it is going maybe 900 megahertz to 2 gigahertz or something, the standard what the LNB is using. But I'm not 100% sure if the AM micro TV chain used the same IF like the satellite-based LNBs. There is the RF choke for biasing from the feed, and yeah, that's it. And it is still showing some sign of life. I'm not sure if it's working. Oops. It's something like 18 volts and 109 milliamps. Not bad. It's not a new guy and was sitting on the roof in rain and snow and whatever for 30 years. Nice design. Yeah, some historical stuff from the past. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a nice day. Bye bye.